Hello everybody, my name is Jaywire and welcome back to The Legend of Zelda Tears of the Kingdom. We are about to embark on our quest to the other two shrines so that we can hopefully finish the tutorial and get to the good stuff. Unlock the rest of the world. Which I'm assuming is probably Hyrule. But I don't know. I don't know if we stay up here. I'm assuming not. Surely we go to Hyrule at some point. Okay, so hold on a sec. This I don't think I've explored this area yet. So maybe I'm gonna go to what was that noise? What's happening? Hello? So when I was standing here? That was a little spooky. I don't know what that was. Anyway, moving on. I'm gonna go ahead and go to this one over here. Oh, that's like way up there. And I couldn't figure out how to get up there before. But now I have my Ultra Hand. So maybe I can find a way to use that. But, I do not trust myself to not get distracted. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to an area that I've already explored a little bit. I say a little bit, because, I only explored the one side, or the other side of that river. I'm sure, clearly there is much more to explore up there. I also definitely do not miss having one single wheel of stamina. That'll be whenever I get the opportunity to upgrade my stamina, I'm going to jump at it. All right. Let's see here. Do I have efficient spicy food? No, I don't have any spicy food. Let's see if the peppers! Did the peppers respawn, or did I just miss one? Either way, we are going to make some spicy simmered fruit. The facial expressions. The facial expressions are always what got me. What if I... Ooh. Do I want to do that? Yeah, sure. Why not? Did I just hear that right? Was he just humming Zelda music? That's amazing. I love that. Of course, now I can't think of what music that is. It's funny. It's a nice touch. Nice little detail. Okay. Okay. We have... Oh yeah, we got 15 whole minutes of this. 15 minutes of cold resistance. That's plenty of time, right? I just need to figure out how to get all the way up there. Because I've been getting down from these high places, no problem. And remember that I can use this. Oops. Okay, hold on. Let's not go that way just yet. Just in case we end up like we did before. Stranded on the other side of the river with no boat. We don't want that. I see bad guys up there. We'll sneak up on them. Oh. Oh, that's fun. Okay, so I don't think I'm meant to climb up there yet. It doesn't look like there's any other way. Nope. There's no other way for me to get up there. So I guess we're gonna have to take the boat and go from there. So let's see here. It doesn't. There might be a way to get up there. Going that way. I feel like I'm pretty sure that's the way that I went before, though. So I don't know. We will see. This is gonna be fun. I'm interested to see how this works. Cause oh, that does not take very long to regenerate. That's nice. I was afraid I was gonna have to wait forever for my energy or whatever to come back. Okay. Did I climb up here before? Am I really that dumb? I don't think I did. I don't think I came here. I think I just got to that wall and I was like, well, game over. I lose. But there's a whole path up here. Let's grab these, why not? Why not? They'll probably come in handy. I think they make me faster. I cook them in a dish. Let's see here. Okay, so definitely making progress. I'm pretty sure it's just right up there. Ah, we have a bad guy. Ooh, hold on. I haven't oh no. I haven't used this yet. Ah yes, clearly I'm not familiar. Okay. We're not gonna talk about that. I am clearly not familiar with, well, shouldn't say familiar. It's been a minute. It's been a minute since I used a bow. I don't know if I think I just picked up the same one that I dropped. It really bothers me when my stuff is not sorted. By the way, you'll learn that very quickly. Do I have any food to cook? I can cook some shrooms. Some, what are they called? Sky shrooms? Mushroom skewer. Alright. Oh wow, that was a quick 4 minutes. Oh man. I think we're almost there. Is that where I started? Wow, that's way up there. Oh, the icy surface. Can I... Is there a part over here that maybe isn't icy? Or do I just gotta wing it? Because I cannot go any higher from here. Ooh. I might actually need those peppers. I might need them. I don't know how I'm going to get up there. He is definitely humming Zelda music, and I'm living for it. That is hilarious. Okay, let's see here. That doesn't look like a... Uh-oh! Uh-oh! Oh no! Okay. Perhaps... Okay, that does not look like a very icy surface. I think that is, I think that is the answer. I think that's how we get up there. Because I don't see any other way up there. There's probably something that I'm overlooking. But that's the beauty of this game. You can play it however you want, sort of. Okay. Okay. I'm pretty sure. Oh, but I have to do... Oh, that's, yeah. This is definitely how it was intended for me to do this. Uh-oh! Get out of the water! Okay. Oh, I always forget that those only give me a quarter of a heart. Okay. Okay. We're good. Cold resistance is running low, though. Luckily. We were prepared! We're gonna go ahead and eat this one first. Less of a waste, I had full hearts. Can I make it? Yes, I can. Okay. This was quite the climb. I expected this to go rather quickly, and I feel like I didn't get too sidetracked. So for not getting sidetracked and not doing a lot of exploring, this was a climb. Oh, well. Okay. Let's maybe not use the rusty broadsword. Haven't actually figured out the durability of those yet. Oh. The rusty broadsword is as durable as a stick. So that's cool. I don't remember them being that weak, but I suppose it makes sense. Alright. I think we made it, didn't we? Yes, we made it! Finally! We finally made it! Only took us like 20 minutes. That makes me... Where's the other one? Oh, the other one's down there. That would have been... Probably would have been much more ideal to go for that one first. But you know what? We made it. And that's all that matters. Now that we have reached the first other shrine of the Great Sky Island, we're gonna check it out next time. I hope you all enjoyed this episode. Thank you so much for watching. And I will see you in the next one.